Schools Out, sports fishing charter.
Every time you look on Facebook, one time.
Welcome.
There we go. Good. Stay back by me here. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Lift up nice and easy.
Still hit. Yeah.
Look at the size of that
Beautiful.
one. Nice fish. That's a big guy.
Hold on, let me get down.
That's beauty. Go. Bring him on in.
Oh, okay.
Bring him on in.
There you go.
Alley-oop.
Yeah. Oh, what's that one? That one's different color.
Keep him out of that line. Oh. All right, lift up. Bring him to the net. There we go.
Nice.
Woo.
Yeah. Big.
That was a different color. Nice fish.
That's nice.
Nice fish.
That's a great. That was like a.
Donuts right here, this area.
Right?
Keep on going. Keep reeling.
Got him, baby.
Get that on. Nice bite.
Perfect. There he is. You got him. Oh, yeah. You got him.
Yes. Another good specimen.
Man, the freaking colors out there.
Yeah.
Except for the one guy that was in my favorite hole.
Just give it a minute.
Yeah.
Yo, give it a minute.
Got all that get up and shit.
Better talk to Herb.
Died,
Herb
yeah.
ain't got
Yeah,
Herb still talking.
Looking like a
Herb still talking. Before he say something wild. Before he say something crazy.
Fishing crew. Hey, here we are again, out here on Lake Michigan in Racine, Wisconsin, fishing with Schools Out Charters with our brother Shane, who's putting us on some big fish today. And we're glad and we're excited because this is Hawk Outdoors and we are
Wild about fishing.